The results are out, and the grade sixers across the island are now prepping for high school. GSAT is behind us. We've got 3 kids who did a fantastic job. Tamian Ricketts of Anata Bay Primary is here with us. We've also got Renee Henry of Boundbrook Primary and Philip Anderson also of Boundbrook Primary. Good morning, kids. How are you doing? Congratulations to all of you for doing so well at GSAT.
Thank you.
Let me ask you first to tell me a little bit about yourself. Tamian, you went to Anata Bay Primary School and you just passed for?
St. Mary High.
St. Mary High. And that's a school you wanted to go to.
Yes.
Why did you want to go to St. Mary High?
In term, I saw from my past my literacy and numeracy in grade 4, and I went to the JTA Sagicor meet. I did a research on St. Mary High, and I realized it was one of the best schools in St. Mary in terms of athletics and educational.
Yeah, and you have sisters who go there?
No, I had a sister, one of my sisters, and one of my cousins.
Okay, but you're just very interested in track, so that would be education and track. That's the best place for you to be.
Yes.
Yeah, tell me how you did on the GSAT. You said you spent a lot of time studying English, science, and communication, not so much math. So math was your strong subject?
Yes.
Okay, tell me how you coped with the others. Was it hard?
No, miss, it wasn't really hard.
It wasn't hard to study for them?
Especially the science. I'm not very good at the science, but on the Friday before the GSAT, I did a test, and most of the things that was on the GSAT papers was on the test that I did on the Friday.
Do you know what your grades were?
93 on the science.
Fantastic. How you did on the other subjects?
I got a little low on the maths, 84.
Well, that's just a great grade. And what you got on the other areas?
On communication task, I got 10 out of 12.
Nice.
On social studies, I also got 84.
Excellent.
And in language arts, I got 86.
Fantastic. Congratulations, lady.
Thank
so you get to go to the high school of your choice and you get to be on the track team.
Yes.
I'm very proud of you, and I'm sure everybody at Anata Bay Primary is proud of you this morning. Miss Renee, Boundbrook Primary, you said it was a stressful experience to prepare. Was it?
Yes, miss.
Tell me about the stress. You're not supposed to go through this kind of stress, you know, your kids must be enjoying life, but I guess that's part of the challenge. You had to study everything, and you didn't know what was coming. Yeah. Tell me about the hardest part of it for you.
The hardest part for me was language arts and com task, because I'm not very good at punctuating and those things and writing.
But you obviously got over it. So you're strong too in science and math?
Yes, miss.
Oh, okay. How was playtime affected by the preparation that you had to do?
It was shortened. I had to spend more time studying than playing.
Yeah, tell me a typical day. So you go to school?
Yes, I go to school from 7 to 12.
Yeah.
Then I would stay at lessons to about 2. Then I would go to my mother and study. And then I would have some fun. And then I would have to study again.
Mercy. Man. But it paid off because you got 100% for math.
Yes, miss.
That must have been a fantastic feeling when you heard that.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, and how were your other grades?
I got 100 in science, 12 out of 12 in communication task, 95 in social studies, and 96 in language arts.
Tell them children come on the show, we feel fool, you see? Honestly, which all went into making you the top girl for Boundbrook, so I have to give you a little clap for that. Good job. So how do you feel now? You feel like you have a weight off? And how does it feel being able to go to high school? You're off to teach field. Are you nervous? Are you excited?
I'm both nervous and excited.
Yeah, you think it's going to be easier than GSAT was?
No, miss.
Why?
Because Teach Field has a high academic score, and I really wanted to go there, and I worked hard to get there. So I have to work harder to maintain a good grade.
Yeah, I think if you guys can get through GSAT, really your next step should be university. That's just my personal take. Well done to you, Renee. Philip says he's 12.
Yes,
I'm going to believe you because you said that, because you look like 8. But I'm going to work with you. Tell me a little bit about your experience now. You are excited and happy. You are the top boy at your school. Tell me about your grades.
Well, I got 91 in maths, 97 in science, 87 in language arts. 12 out of 12 in Countess. And
What's left?
wait,
Okay, it's all right. Would I forget to? What is that feeling like just before you get the grades?
well, nervous, anxious.
You're glad it's over, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're heading to Titchfield as well. What are your expectations for high school? What have you heard about grade 7?
Well, I heard it's hard. Harder than grade 6, of course.
Is that what you've heard?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I wonder what they say makes it harder. I'm not sure. But what your expectation is that you'll do well, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay. You like a lot of reading fictional books. You like to surf the internet in your spare time. You might have a little more spare time now or not as you get adjusted to high school. What do you guys want to be when you grow up? Let me start with you, Philip.
Well, I want to become a neurosurgeon.
A neurosurgeon. Why?
I'm fascinated with the human mind.
I'm fascinated with these little children. So you want to be a neurosurgeon. So you're working hard to do that. What about you, Renee? What do you want to be?
I want to be a corporate lawyer.
All right. And Tamian, I think I might know the answer to this, but tell me anyway.
Athlete.
You want to be an athlete. I think you're going to be donning our colors at some point and running for Jamaica. I can see it in your future. What do you guys have to say to the young people now who are looking to go into PEP next year? I mean, at one point it was common entrance, then you guys had GSAT. These children now are moving into a new exam. They may be as nervous as you were doing GSAT. You have a word for them? Tammy, let me start with you. What would
Be
you say to them?
confident.
Be confident.
Be confident.
Yeah.
They might think it's hard, but it's not that hard.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Renee.
Work hard, because what you put in, you get out of it. So you have to put in a lot, and you get out a lot.
Okay. Sir Philip.
Hard work and dedication. That's all.
Okay. Pick me up, Ollie. No? She feel like I'm them to talk to. All right, sir and mom. Then we will try harder. I will try to be the best that I can be. Thank you very much for inspiring us this morning, and well done to all of you. All the best as you continue to high school. I will hope we can check in with you soon to see how you all are doing. Tamian Ricketts of Anata Bay Primary. She's headed to St. Mary High School. Renee Henry from Bournebrook Primary, who's headed to Titchfield. So to Philip Anderson from Bournebrook, who's also headed to Titchfield. All right, take a break. On Smile, your news is next. Thank you, guys.